is actually two different ways to cut your thread on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600. So we're going through lots of short tutorials that you can master this machine with. And this is one that people always ask me in class. What is the best way to cut the thread once you're done serging? So I'm going to show you the two ways that I recommend. Now, first off, there is a thread cutter right here on this side of the machine. So if you just gently run the tail or chain out the end, then bring it towards you with just one hand, you can cut that thread. The other way that I like to do it, and I probably do this more, is that after I'm done, again, keep running with a little bit of pressure out the back, maybe about 3 inches or enough to bring that thread underneath the presser foot and let the knife that's going up and down actually cut the thread off. Now make sure you don't get too close or short, because I have had people that they actually cut off a little bit of that fabric corner. That's not good. And then the other thing is you do not need to fish this little tail or loop of thread back out. As soon as you put this underneath the foot and start stitching, you'll see that it'll just push itself out the back naturally, and then you can go ahead and cut. So if you see this in one fell swoop, done. It's super easy. Just like I said, make sure you leave just enough so you don't get too close to your fabric. So try out each one and see which one is right for you. When I'm using decorative threads and I don't want to use up too much thread, or if it's really thick, I'll often use the one that's on the side versus the one that is coming around the front of the foot.